So how this interior water management system works with this interior dimple membrane is the water goes in behind, it gets trapped, travels down into the interior weeping tile, and then that feeds into that sump pit and then is discharged. That smaller box there is the backflow retention valve, which is just for sewer backup. So if everybody else in the neighborhood or the streets and it's wanting to back up the sewer, it disallows that sewer to back up into the house. So it's a check valve. There's one in the sump pit as well. So those braces are blocked back, and they're against the wall, and structurally that will reinforce things. So anyways, this is an interior water management system. So the interior membrane with the interior weeping tile to the sump with the bracing completed, and this is one way of doing it from the inside that manages the water. It's not the same as taking care of it from the outside by any means, and that is always the best step. If you can waterproof from the outside, you're taking care of the problem, and you're not allowing it to penetrate the wall. But this is an option in cases where the outside isn't an option. Thanks for viewing, and we'll see you next time.